Are you ready to buy a home for yourself or make an investment in real estate? Welcome to 114 Northeast SDA Lane in Port St. Lucie, Florida. I'm Juli Iles at space.The with Barron Real Estate. This home is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath with an extra toilet and sink in the laundry room and an enclosed back porch area that has been used as an extra bedroom and office space. The kitchen has newer appliances and the living area features a wooden barn door and other wooden accents throughout. The fenced backyard is ready for your vision to come to life. It backs up to a small canal. The quiet, established, no HOA neighborhood of River Park is zoned for county taxes, saving you money on city taxes while still enjoying access to local shopping and the recently refurbished Sportsman's Park. If you would like a private tour of this home, you can see the link around this video or go to sellpsl.com and search the address. This home is priced to sell, so don't wait. A little TLC will make this home shine. If you are handy and want some sweat equity, this is a great opportunity.